Okay, here we are with another tutorial. In this case, we are going to model this furniture. So the main shape, it's a revolve object. So I will make the profile of this and then use the revolve command, and this will be made by Wirecut and then fillet edge. The legs will be simple cylinders with a modifier called share, but we'll talk this later. So I'm going to polyline. I will start with 0 enter with the ortho enabled. So I will go in this, maybe this, and I hold shift to disable ortho for a second. Click, I'll leave the shift key, so I keep using ortho again. And then I press tab once to lock the direction. Then I choose this snap and then this. So now I have this. I will move it to the size. Then I will choose the revolve command. This one, 0 enter, and then here. So now I have this, and since I'm using record history always, I can make some adjustments to the input curve, and the revolve will be updated. So for example, I could make this big, this one here, this one here maybe. I think it's okay. So now I have this, and now I will use a line from the midpoint here on the center of snap here. So now I can use Wirecut from the top view, this object, enter, enter. So now I have two objects. Then I will rotate this 90 degrees. Wirecut again, this and this, enter and enter. So I have 4 pieces. I can delete this curve. So now, for example, I could use fillet edge in every edge here. It will depend on the size of the object, but this time I think 5 millimeters should work. Let's make a quick test. Yeah, I think it's okay. Oh, I forgot to make another cut. Let's say down here maybe. Wirecut everything. So now I have this other part. I can delete that curve, and again fillet edge everything. Okay, oops, we have a problem in this one, so I can delete one and mirror it from 0. Also, this one has a problem, so I can delete this and mirror this one from the top view. So now I have to make the legs. Let's say something from here and here, but this leg have an angle, so I will use the share command. We'll start here and here, and then deform it like this, for example. We'll move it a bit inside, and then from the top view I will say this fragment has three legs here, so I guess it has three legs on each segment, so that's 12 legs. A bit too much, but not my design. So array polar 0, 12 pieces. Okay, so now I have to rotate this from 0 again there. So now I have three legs on each piece, and that should be it. We can delete this, or maybe move this. Let's go to render view, and then all this should be new material, let's say plaster, and we'll use the should be this. Okay, let's select all the curves, delete, and this one we're going to use another material, in this case plastic, and color we will use this one, maybe a bit lighter there. So that's it. I hope that helps. See you next time.